All right, we're back from Hyperfest. We're cleaning up vehicles. We're unloading them. We unloaded the RTI ramp and we just flexed it out. Flexed out the Bronco. For an independent front suspension rig, this thing is really impressive. And when we were out at Hyperfest, we were out hucking Broncos with Vaughn Gittin Jr. And he's like, no, you guys can send it. Y'all can jump this thing. So we did. But now we have to know for science, what are we actually doing to this? Can we really jump it? How high can we jump it? For this Bronco, we're working with FabTech on this suspension. And what we want to try for science is to find out, can we daily drive this thing? Can we take it on the trails on the weekend and go send it? What's going to happen to the Bronco whenever we do all of that? So now we're here on this jump behind our shop where we start our shock tuning before we take it out to the off-road park. And I want to know, how does it do off camber? How does it do when we jump it? Let's find out for science. What we don't know is, how does the Bronco do off camber? Turn that way. Turn the wrong way out of it. Let's just see. Wow, that thing is super stable. All right, hold up. So we need to go get the keys for that trailer over there, and we got to go clear the landing zone. So let's do that before we jump this thing. That way you don't land it in the back of the race trailer. That's good. So I just want to watch it and kind of watch the suspension unload and load. So let's start at, I don't know, 15 miles an hour. And let's just see what it does. Yeah, slowly go over it. If the suspension starts to bottom out, then we'll have our number. Okay. But we don't want to bottom out the suspension real hard. So let's just kind of. Yep. And I don't want to break anything, so let's not do full send. Just let's try 15 miles an hour.
You say that maybe if this, if this seems like a harder hit, maybe we can take that rear tire off until we can get a better solution for that gauge.
Yeah, absolutely. Oh, we're gonna have to go way faster.
Yeah. So that was only like 17, but I really thought he was gonna. I think I need more like ramp up room.
I'm telling you, FabTech did a great job. We'll lap the buildings and come back, and that was 20, 17.
That was 17. So I will go.
Let's try 25.
Okay.
Watching the way this vehicle even just moves through the field is pretty impressive. FabTech did a great job right out of the box with this kit. You can really tell that they took the time to get the spring rate and the valving and everything just right. It drives amazing down the road. I was really worried it was going to drive like trash down the road, but it doesn't. It is sweet. That was beautiful. It didn't bottom out at all. It just took it.
I've seen people use it though.
What is this thing? Funnel all your suggestions. I think it's to put gas, but wrong answers only. What is this thing?
No, I agree with that. I think that's what that is.
What? This
because
gives you
we
gas?
had no. I think that's what it is though. I think because last weekend we had a really difficult time getting fuel into the Raptors, and that fits.
So
See?
this is to fuel your Bronco and for your wife to pee in the woods.
Multitasker.
I like that it's not a one-hit wonder. It's a multitasker.
It is.
Yes, perfect.
Well, good to know. Good to know.
All right, you're gonna have to drive fast to drive all this water out of here.
That sounds like a challenge.
Drive fast.
Accept it.
Go die.
I won't.